always been the one to swim deep in shallow waters. Never answered to anyone because I was the caller. I have been chasing love since I got here, but all I have caught up to was the shadows, lost in the thought of it being you. Because you were in tune with love's movement, you both danced so lovely together. A serpent with love, you were so clever. Love is in the heart of the beholder. So instead you took hope from me, because there were parts of you didn't want me to see. I'm just trying to save your heart from the concrete. Does it get cold down there? It's hard to hold you. That is why I tend to caress your ego. It's harder to love you, so I French kiss your heartbeat. I want to let the sun shine in, so let my love shine in, and let me brighten the darkest tint in you. I come from hopelessness. I come from catwalks. I come from cracked out holes. I come from people who cannot dream. I come from the line of forgotten beauty. I come from this industry where beauty is everything. I come from popping bottles on models and paparazzi cameras. I come from smeared makeup on my pillowcase after a wild night, forgetting what reality feels like. I come from snap strike, pose, heroin, meth, coke. I come from out with the old and with the new. I come from lost diamonds, painting roses on shattered glass. I come from behind the scenes of the scene, where you fit in, I stand out, no in between. I come from shoots and shoots where we highlight the lies and closet the truth. I come for perfection with hidden warrior scars. Beautiful women in battle with their personas, whipped with their image. They are slaves to the agency. I come from withering egos, a place where it is what you see rather than what you speak. Here, where it's not about what you know, but who you meet. I come from a man's ribcage. That is why we tend to capture our bones' beauty, because skeletons can be beautiful too, with just the right paint, just the right angle, just the right light. And no, I don't know much about her, but I know this war has taken her head and placed it on a silver platter, because dead is the new beautiful thing, and I am just the one with the sword. I come from a place where beauty is a battlefield.